हाय यू गाइस, मैं हूँ छवि मित्तल एंड दैट्स माय 7-year-old डॉटर अरीजा। ओके, कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने अरीजा के लिए एक छोटी सी डॉल बनाई थी। शी इज नेम्ड दिस डॉल जिली and a lot of you asked me how I made Jilly, so I just made her out of my imagination and I felt really bad that I didn't shoot it while making it so that I could have shared it with you. But today I have decided to make a hairband for Ariza, and again I'm going to make it with my own imagination. So Ariza is looking for an old hairband of hers which she doesn't use anymore. So this is the hairband that we are going to use and let's see what we make out of it. Ariza, you'll help me baby?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's start. Okay guys, तो मैंने ये क्या किया है, ये एक पुराना कपड़ा है जो अरीजा ने फेंकने के लिए निकाला था, तो मैंने उसमें से थोड़ा सा एक पीस काट लिया है। एंड अरीजा, आप इसको, आपके पास फैब्रिक कलर है ना?
हाँ.
कौन से कलर का लीव्स बनाएंगे हम?
This color and then kind of shaded with this color.
Oh my God, you're making it difficult for mama. तो ऐसा करो, आप इसको प्लीज अभी ग्रीन ग्रीन इसको पेंट कर दो। आई वॉन्ट यू टू पेंट द होल कपड़ा ग्रीन। तो अभी मैं ये कपड़ा भी थोड़ा सा फाड़ रही हूँ। और अरीजा, कैन यू प्लीज पेंट दिस इन दिस कलर? व्हाट डू यू नो?
You need to make the flowers with
How did you guess, my baby? Can you paint this also, my baby, both sides?
Can you open this?
Yes. Meanwhile, I am trying to make a pom-pom. I don't know exactly how to make it, but I think this should be fine. Cutie! Cutie! Cutie!
I love pink.
पता नहीं क्या बन रहा है। ओके, मैंने उसको गांठ मार के ब्रश में से बाहर निकाल दिया है। Now I'm just going to cut it. Yay! Yoo-hoo! Yippee! Pitty pitty, this is how my bobbin is looking. My pom-pom. How's it? तो मैंने ये 3 छोटे छोटे क्यूट से पॉम-पॉम्स बनाए हैं। Now I'm taking this green wool.
Where is the green from?
I took it out from your drawer. Is that okay? कभी राखी बनाई है आपने? जैसे
हाँ, मैंने
जैसे राखी बनाते हैं ना, फोल्ड करके उसको। ये मैंने ले लिए 6 strings of this green wool. My God, I'm reminded of my childhood with you, Ariza. As a child, I knew how to knit, how to do crochet, how to embroider,
You need to teach me
how to
everything.
stitch. Okay, this has to be rotated in the same direction. Now I'm going to put them all together, put them both together, and this is what I made.
How could you?
How could you? How could you? ये हमारा कपड़ा रेडी है। ग्रीन हमने पेंट किया इसको, and these two have been painted in this orangish red. I'm trying to make a rose. Let's see how that goes. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Here are my 2 flowers that are ready. And with this, I'm going to cut out a few leaves. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start putting these leaves on the band. Okay, I'll stitch them. He wants to come in?
Yeah.
Should we let him?
No, he'll break everything.
You think?
Yeah.
अच्छा, आने दो, थोड़ी देर आने दो।
So here's that.
Let him sit here for some time. He can. छोटू, निन्नी नहीं किया? निन्नी नहीं किया? और हम? Okay, Ariza, your hairband is ready. What do you think?
I love it.
Wow!
Wow.
Wait. Show everyone.
How do I look?
How does Ariza look, my little princess? In her big bouquet that Mama made for her. So the idea behind doing this activity was not just to make a handmade hairband for Ariza, but also to keep her engaged, because during the lockdown it's becoming really difficult for the kids to find interesting activities to do for themselves. And doing this also takes me back. And doing this also takes me back to my own childhood. So, it's a beautiful feeling. You like it, my baby? Bye guys. Love and peace from us to you.